Earlier this year, I decided to travel to New York City during spring break, and after days of exploring, eating good food, and meeting up with old friends, I decided to dedicate the last day of this trip to take film photos. I thought it was the perfect opportunity to test out my new film camera, capturing the towering skyscrapers and the vibrant city life. I made a small plan of the route I wanted to take, and it started at the Central Library. And before taking any pictures, I wanted to kind of enjoy the area first. Thus, I decided to read my book and journal a little bit in the library. Hi guys, it is me again. I just got out of the library because it was getting really crowded, but I think I got some pretty good shots from there. Now I just came outside to take pictures of the exterior of the library because it's just as beautiful as the inside. And after I took a few pictures of the outside, I bought a ticket for, it's like a time reserved ticket for the Museum of Modern Art, or MoMA for short. So I'm gonna go there because I bought a ticket for 11:30 and it's almost 11:15ish right now. So I'm gonna head over right after I take a picture. So see ya. I am now currently sitting outside, or standing outside, or walking outside. There's this little statue garden area, so that's where I am at. I went through all the galleries of MoMA so far, floor 1 through 5, actually through 6, and that was such an interesting experience, to say the least. It was a completely different experience from the Metropolitan Museum because I felt like I experienced art in all 5 senses, not just sight. There were creepy audio playing in the background, when the artwork made me feel really tiny. So these different kinds of sensory experiences. So now I'm gonna go to the store. I felt like I took a lot of pictures on my film camera as well. I hope they turn out well. The lighting was wonky in there. It was so different in every single rooms and stuff. We go to the store, and the next stop is Washington Square Park. Yay, see ya there. Okay, hey guys. So we just finished dinner and now we're gonna go to the Radio City sign, which is like this really pretty neon sign. That will be the second to last destination for my film adventure. The last destination is going to be back at Times Square, what am I saying? Okay, let's go. Okay, we're finally back at the hotel after the last stop on our film camera adventure. It was such a long day. I think after I get all of my exposures developed and scanned, I think it's gonna be worth it in the end. So, see you guys later.